Hello, everybody. How are you? It's Saturday. I hope everyone's at home because, with the cases rising up, it's better to be safe than sorry. So, let me invite my guest for the evening. It's someone who actually requires no introduction because he's a well known face on TV and in film. It's Rajiv Khandelwal, who has an upcoming show on Z5 called Nakalbari, and just waiting for him to join us. And as soon as he does, we'll get the chat rolling. And yes, I can see Rajiv squad is here sending a lot of hearts. Yes, we're just waiting for him to come live, and let's see if he's already here or not. So Naxalbari, he's basically playing an officer who is on the chase of Maoists. So he's going to tell us more about the show when he comes online, or well, he is here. So I have no, anyway, and so we are waiting for him to come. And so I hope everybody's been safe. Oh, there he is. Hi.
Hi,
Hi. How are you doing?
I'm doing excellent, Pooja. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. And are you getting used to these Insta lives and virtual promotions?
Not really. I mean, it's very difficult because I'm not a social media person at all. So, in fact, I was on a phone call with Priya and asking her, please guide me because I've forgotten. It's been a couple of months since I've been live on Insta. So, yeah, it's difficult for me.
But it's great to have you, and I was very surprised when you actually said कि अब मैंने PR machinery hire कर दी है. कितना जरूरी है वैसे आज के टाइम में, because a lot of your colleagues say social media पे इतना करना पड़ता है कि हम भूल जाते हैं हमें act भी करना होता है.
So first and foremost, मेरे पास कोई PR machinery नहीं है. I have not still, haven't still hired a PR machinery for myself. It's been almost 16 years now, but I have never
Wow.
ever hired any PR machinery. This is of course my Instagram account, which I was forced because of the lockdown. I was promoting a series of mine called Marzi, and these guys
हाँ
said,
जी.
"Raji, अब तो आपको आना ही पड़ेगा Instagram पे, because how else would you do promotions, for the series?" And I
जी.
said, चलो यार तुम मुझे लेके आ ही गए Instagram पे तो आ जाता हूँ. But I'm as good as not there.
But do you feel as actors you need to be in the eye, or is your thought absolutely different? It's like let your work speak, because आजकल सब change हो रहा है यार.
I know, but I've never felt the need. I never felt the need of any external push because I don't believe in it. And I'm being very honest, I've never believed in it right from the beginning. I've never understood what media net is. I mean, you and I will understand what media net is. So I've never understood those terms. People have come to me, all my well wishers have come to me and they've told me how important it is for an actor, Rajiv, positioning. And I always think that, do I need external support? I mean, will I have to thank somebody? Thank you very much, yaar. आपने ये push दिया मुझे तो मैं यहाँ पहुँच गया. I don't want to share any bit of
I
my
agree with you.
achievement with anyone, be it any PR agency or anyone for that matter. I don't want to share
I'm
much.
with you on that. And anyways, that's what they say. A self-made man's work always talks for himself. So now you've had two releases in the lockdown. So it's been a creatively satisfying period for you. Otherwise,
So yeah, I realize when everyone else is working, I'm not working. When nobody is working, I guess I'm working. So of course, two releases during the lockdown, and I shot for two during the lockdown as well.
wow.
One was the Naxalbari, which is going to come on Z5, and the other one, which I'm supremely excited about. I just finished shooting for it about a month back. So yeah, I actually worked quite a bit. I started working in July when I was in Goa, and then since July, I think I've been working almost non-stop.
Well, awesome. So, on Naxals and the Maoists, a lot of narratives have come out. So what was different about it? What attracted you to this web series?
So I'll be extremely honest with you. I signed the series in August last year,
Acha.
and it was a very different series then. Very very different script it was. And then in the next 6 months, director came on board and other people came on board, and then they were in the process of making changes, and they made a lot of changes. And then the pandemic hit the world,
Huh.
and then came in the lockdown. And when they decided to shoot in July, they had to edit out a lot of uh, portions of the series because of the mandate by the government. We
Ji.
couldn't have more than 55 people on the set, and we couldn't really shoot some elaborate sequences. And we were
Ji.
the first ones, and I mean it because we were literally the first ones to step out of our homes and do an outdoor kind of a shoot. So the high was कि हम गोवा में हैं, हम लोग करीबन कुछ 50-60 जने हैं, हम जंगलों के अंदर शूट कर रहे हैं, so we are probably the first ones. People were calling us. My friends were calling me and they were saying, Rajiv यार सुन के अच्छा लग रहा है कि तू काम कर रहा है यार, हम तो यार इतने फंसे पड़े हैं यहाँ पे. So a lot of portions had to be edited out. So now what we have is a little toned down version of the original series which I had said yes to. But having said that, this series will give you a bit of a perspective of all the parties involved. In a sense, when you talk about nationalism, we're bound to talk about the politics and the businessmen and the police force and the security forces. So you get to see the perspective of all the parties involved in this.
And what was the experience like? Because you transitioned through various platforms. TV, I've been following you since Kahin To Hoga days, by the way. I used to watch that show religiously. Then you did movies. Now, you've done a reality show, hosted shows, and now this. Are web series satisfying for an actor, like in terms of creatively, because the arc is longer, or are they challenging?
I've enjoyed my work, Pooja, and I always tell anyone who speaks to ask me about the mediums that I do not work for mediums. I am an actor, and I just focus on my craft and the project that I'm part of. I am not somebody who could be imprisoned by any medium. You cannot. I'm not bound by any one medium. I'm an actor. I started my career not with television, but with Kahin To Hoga, which was my first project. Amir was also a project. So was Sach Ka Samna. So for me, it is a project that gives me satisfaction. Was I happy doing Kahin To Hoga? Was I happy doing Samrat and Company? Was I happy doing Shaitan? Yes, I've been happy with almost all the projects that I've been part of, barring a few, because you can't be happy all the time. It's just, it doesn't work that way. But if you ask me, it's been a fantastic, very rewarding for me with the way I've kind of approached my career. Web series is something that has given a lot of comfort level to both the viewers and the makers. In a sense, there is no box office rush. Iska box office to saalon saal chalta rahega. Somebody would, it's an ongoing process forever and ever. People are going to watch it tomorrow, day after, next year, next to next year, and it will keep traveling. Also, while we are making it, there is no pressure of any telecast date, which happens in daily soaps on television. So it's a very relaxed medium that way. You're doing it, and you're working with the kind of people that whom you would want to work with. I'm getting to work with, say, let's say, Pradeep Sakar, or people who I would really, look forward to working with. Yeah. So you get to work with different. This Naxalbari, I mean, we shot with an amazing cameraman from Malayalam cinema. He was there in Goa, and they had his services. So it's fantastic. It's a great amalgamation of people from different, so-called mediums. People जो television में कर रहे हैं, film में कर रहे हैं. It's a correct amalgamation of people, and yeah, it's a very happy world to be in. PR करने का रश नहीं है कि आपको जाके खरीदना है, आपको बेचना है अपने आप को. Of course, social media पे push करते हैं कि यार वो करो, आपको following दिखानी है अपनी, कैसे आप यार चिंता नहीं करते हो. That's something else, but otherwise, it's a much more relaxed medium, I would say.
And another thing I've noticed about you, whether it was Kahin To Hoga, whether it was Amir, whether it were your shows, and whether it's now, you pick and choose your projects. So as an actor, which is like that you will say no to the kind of roles, and which are the kind of roles you're looking at? What's your method? What's your process?
I do not know. I don't think I'm a very intelligent person who knows exactly as to what will work for me. I think I go purely by my instinct. I am a very, very instinctive person. Life में भी और अपने काम में भी मैं बिल्कुल instinct पे believe करता हूँ. I think I've said more no in my career, and that's only because my work is not my life. I mean, it's been very difficult to tell people. A lot of people think कि मैं बहुत choosy हूँ, मैं काम करता हूँ. उनको ये नहीं पता है कि यार मेरी जिंदगी सिर्फ काम नहीं है. I'll die if I sleep, eat, drink, or think of just about my work. My holidays are equally important. The other small little things that I do in my life, which could be very stupid, discuss here also, but they're very, very important for me. Be it anything, from my gardening to this thing, to traveling, cycling, मुझे वो सब चीजें मेरे लिए उतनी important हैं. तो मैं शायद काम इसलिए करता हूँ ताकि मैं कुछ पैसे कमा सकूँ अपनी छुट्टियों को sponsor करने के लिए. So my work is not my life. I enjoy my work definitely. I love my work too. So I think now also the process probably could have been that I am trying to find myself as to how good am I. I do not know how good am I as an actor. I'm still trying to figure out whether some people call you, Rajiv is a good actor. But do I call myself a good actor? Probably no. So I'm still trying to find myself. And with each project of mine, I'm trying to maybe increase my bandwidth as an actor, trying to reach a point very soon where I can stand up and say, yes, I'm a good actor. It takes a lot of confidence to say that I'm a good actor and a lot of belief. I think I'm still trying to collect that belief. And someday maybe I'll stand up and I'll say, I'm a great actor or a good actor.
Well, your fans agree you are one of the best actors. Lot of love coming your way. So किसी ने पूछा, what have you learned from Raghav and Naxalbari?
Well, Raghav, what has Raghav taught me, man? Raghav has taught me to be very, very, not taught me anything. Actually, I taught a lot of things to Raghav. Yeah. So, no, Raghav is actually a character which probably, I mean, I must have played, say, let's say 10, 12, 15 characters. It has a little bit of almost all the characters in him. And it was fun because this is for the first time I'm sporting a moustache in my career, in my life. I mean, I've never seen myself, with a moustache. This is the first time I'm sporting a moustache, thanks to the lockdown, because we weren't shaving, and तो उसके बाद बीच में देखा कि चलो यार मूंछ डाल के देखते हैं कैसे लगते हैं तो वो अच्छी लगी मूंछ हमने मूंछ पहन ली तो that's it.
The fans are loving that also. But you said something very interesting that other aspects of my life are more important. In this industry, what happens is we are all vain people, yeah. Anyone who sees themselves gets that junoon of being seen all the time. How do you strike that balance? Because many have become a victim of their own image. Hota hai. We are humans.
And I try and shatter my own image within my own head every time. I mean, even when I'm kind of reminded of that you are an actor, I kind of try and shatter it. I'll explain it to you how. Like, for example, when I come back home, at no point do I expect any of my staff members to do anything for me which is more than or which is beyond the call of their duty. Like I'm a nobody. If you come to my building and you will see that कोई आता है तो गाड़ी किसको अगर ड्राइवर मेरा अगर मैं बंदा नहीं आया मेरा तो मैं गाड़ी खुद ही आगे पीछे कर लेता हूँ. I clean my own bicycle each time I go for my ride. I try and clean and do up my own bicycle. I try and remind myself that I'm a very normal person and I'm just doing my job like everyone else is doing their job. And there's nothing special about me. There's nothing special about my profession also. It's just that we entertain people and by virtue of my profession, people kind of know you or they recognize you. Not even know you. Nobody knows you. They only recognize you. So that doesn't make it a very special profession or makes you very special. And right from the beginning of my career, if you look at my career, I mean, if you, I left my first show at the peak of it only because I did not want to be a captive of any image that ye aisa. And the adulation that came with the first show, I till date, and I really say this, that I could really demarcate very, very clearly in my head that Rajiv, this is not for you. Do not get fooled by this love that is coming your way. This is not for you. This is for the character. Remember this. And I promise you that it helps that conversation with myself has really helped me all throughout these years because I know when you go to the airport, when you walk out, when you meet people and the love that comes your way, you know that this is not for you. This is for the image that they have in their head. So do not get fooled by it. So I don't get fooled by it.
So I agree with that. A lot of love actually coming for Sujal and Kahin To Hoga. Do you still get a lot of that? Sujal.
Yeah, of course. So, one thing which has been very, very good in my life is that I did Sujal once and then I never repeated Sujal. Then I did an Amir. So people who are Amir fans probably are not Sujal fans because they like different kind of work. I mean, they like things like, then there are people who watch Sach Ka Samna. Then there are people who have watched Left, Right, Left. Captain Rajveer Singh Shekhawat is so big for them. In a sense, it's their hero. So when I travel, I meet people who would say, "Hey, mera Sujal aa gaya." There are women who would actually, not too many, but I've met security, women who are in security forces who've actually come and saluted me and they said, "This salute is for Captain Rajveer Singh Shekhawat. I'm wearing this uniform for him. He is my hero."
Wow.
So yeah. I have got mails from a lot of women from Navy, Air Force, Army. They've kind of written to me that Captain Rajveer Singh Shekhawat inspired me. So when I travel, I actually think about it sometimes. There's a pocket which would address me as Sujal. Some people, Captain Rajveer Singh Shekhawat. Some are table number 21 fans. some are Amir fans, some are Sach Ka Samna fans, some are Shaitan fans, and they're different kind of people because the work is different, you know. So a Sujal fan will never be an Amir fan, or
True.
Shaitan. No, they would
True.
not enjoy a film like Shaitan. So
True.
I think I've been, whatever decisions I took in my life, I think they were very smart, because you go to any part of the country, you know, there are people who would welcome you and like you, and share a smile with you.
So your fan clubs are very active and have asked which is your next project, what are your plans for New Year and Christmas, and will we see Marzi too?
All right, so I do not know about Marzi too. They haven't really reached out to me as yet, so I cannot really say कि मुझे Marzi के बारे में कुछ पता है. But of course, Marzi, they were wanting to make it. अगर COVID नहीं आया होता तो जुलाई में हम लोग शूटिंग करने वाले थे. अब मुझे पता नहीं. रही बात next project की, next project is going to be really something that you will not expect of me, from me. It's a dark comedy, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I mean, I'm so excited about it. Just waiting for it to come, because I know I am going to surprise a whole lot of people. So I just finished shooting for it. Looking forward to it. जैसे ही आएगा तो मैं बताऊंगा सब लोगों को. और नया साल, New Year's has to be in Goa, because we generally spend our Christmas and New Year's in Goa. I would have thought of traveling abroad, but कहीं travel कर सकते नहीं है. तो अपना घर और कुछ दोस्त लोग आएंगे, and I'll be spending my New Year's in Goa.
कोल्ड लस्सी सीजन 2 कोई पूछ रहा है.
कोल्ड लस्सी सीजन 2 नहीं कर रहा मैं भाई. जो भी सोच रहे हैं ऐसा, आई एम नॉट पार्ट ऑफ इट. आई डू नॉट नो अबाउट अदर्स, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.
पर एक बात बताओ, व्हेन यू वॉच योरसेल्फ, अच्छा कोई किसी ने पूछा लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट का रियूनियन होने वाला है क्या? नहीं.
और सो लेफ्ट राइट के बहुत, देखो ये फैंस है ना, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन आई विश ऐसा हो जाए. रीयूनियन तो मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन और मुझे ये भी पूछते हैं सीजन 2 आएगा उसका या कुछ आप बनाओ. और मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि यार देखो, वो बन गया था एक बार, उसके बाद दोबारा मत बोलो, क्योंकि दोबारा बनेगा तो पहले वाली के भी जो चाम है ना, वो खत्म हो जाएगा. Some things just get made, and not because of anything, but just sometimes some things just fall in place, and it just becomes what it is for you. So let it be the way it is.
Okay, so when you watch your past performances, I've known of actors who write notebooks में what they did right and what they did wrong. What is your, are you distanced from कि एक बार ही हो गया तो हो गया, or do you sit and ruminate, ये कर लूँ वो कर लूँ?
I don't watch my things. I do not Google myself. Starting में किया था, of course. You know, when you come into industry, you want to know about yourself. You want to. I don't read comments and things like that. You don't. Of course, first few years, you wanted to know क्या क्या लिखा गया है. उसके बाद जब आपने पढ़ने लगी, कुछ लोग तो बड़ी बहुत खराब चीजें भी लिखते हैं. Then you thought that, Rajiv, better is stay away from it. Ignorance is bliss. So I don't see my programs. There's only one, I think, film, Amir, जब कभी सामने आ जाती है, I can watch it in a sense, because it's such a beautifully made film that I can still watch it. Rest, I do not watch my shows ever. I have a huge collection of my own work at my place, but I do not watch anything ever. मैंने कुछ फिल्में तो अपनी सिर्फ एक ही बार देखी है, वो भी जब प्रीव्यू किया था उन्होंने तब देखी थी. उसके बाद सिनेमा हॉल में जाके नहीं देखी मैंने. So I try and kind of stay away from it. I do not know why. Maybe I'm too scared to see. I'll find so many shortcomings कि better है अगर लोग बोल रहे हैं अच्छा काम किया तो रहने दो उसको, because then you will think that ये लोग मेरी तारीफ क्यों करते हैं यार, मैं तो इतना बकवास काम करके आया था. So I mean, I just try and avoid watching myself.
अभी किसी ने रिपोर्टर्स 2 के बारे में पूछा है.
Yeah, that is one series again. I really, उसको भी मैं देख सकता हूँ मैं बीच में, you know, कभी अगर कभी कोई देख रहा होता है, मुझे कोई वीडियो भेजता है, तो I kind of watch it and I enjoy watching Kabir Sharma and Ananya. Was very well done. Goldie ने किया था, बहुत अच्छा काम किया था. We all really enjoy doing it. Season 2, I doubt.
Somebody's asked, do you like horror movies?
Horror movies, yeah. I mean, now to you're watching almost everything, na? COVID time. So, but if you ask me, do I enjoy?
You're living a horror movie anyways.
Yeah. So I do, as an actor, maybe I'll enjoy working in a horror film, but watching horror films, no. I'd rather watch a human drama than watch a horror film.
Anything exciting you watched? Because everybody's just been consuming content. That's what they say. We need to thank actors during, other than the corona warriors, we need to thank the artist community for giving us content. So, you know, otherwise this would have been very difficult, yeah, without you all. So have you watched something that's impressed you lately?
Yeah. So many things. I mean, I've been watching, भूल ही जाते हो क्या, because the कौन से platform पे क्या देख रहे हो. Really enjoyed watching. I really enjoyed watching Scam. You know, अभी recent Sony Live पे जो आया था. I think fantastic काम किया है. all the actors, and of course Prateek ने तो कमाल ही किया उसमें. Hansel has done a great job. It's, you know, you feel very good when you watch such content on and watch such actors who make you feel inferior कि यार ये क्या कर दिया आपने, कैसे किया, इतने natural कैसे थे आप कैमरे के सामने. So that is of course one of the Hindi series that I saw, and English में I won't remember only. I mean, I've been watching films. I mean, सब download करके रखा हुआ है. So if I talk about it, I think I thoroughly enjoyed watching Money Heist during lockdown. मतलब वो उस time पे आया था and we were waiting for it. इतना कि that I started, you know, playing that Bella Ciao song on my different musical instruments. चाहे वो guitar हो, चाहे वो harmonica हो, चाहे वो xylophone हो. I was playing it everywhere. So yeah, really enjoyed watching that one.
Somebody said you're more like Kabir Sharma.
Yes, I am. I am quite close to Kabir Sharma. उसमें काफी मैंने अपने inputs भी डाले थे. A lot of things that I said and the attitude did come in from me. So yeah, he's quite close to me, or I am very close to him.
And मेरा last सवाल आपको है कि, you know, the thing is, you've been in the industry for what, 16, 17 years now? You've all been through your journey, struggle. Now with the coming of these platforms, you feel it's easier for people to source talent, like compared to when you all started? Or is it tougher now?
I don't know. I think things will, if there's an era, हर चीज का एक phase आता है, and I think that this is a phase where I cannot really say it's going to be easy or difficult, because if you look at it, इतने सारे platform हैं, इतने सारे लोग हैं, how will you do something that people will instantly kind of associate with or recognize you or whatever? इतने platforms हैं ना, इतने ज़्यादा actors हैं, तो कभी अगर सोचो तो ये भी लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा competition बढ़ जाएगा for people to come in this industry, because everyone will want to be an actor or a technician for that matter. When we were there, I mean, उस टाइम के अलग challenges थे उस टाइम पे, it was very difficult to get inside, and then you come from a small town and to break into it was difficult. So I think every phase, every era will have their own challenges, which we really can't talk about because उसका nature अलग-अलग होगा हर बार. We will never know. But all I know is nothing will ever be very easy. And nothing will ever be very easy. चाहे वो कुछ भी हो लाइफ में, कोई भी करियर हो, यही नहीं, वो कभी आसान कभी नहीं होगा. ये नहीं होगा कि आपको बैठे-बैठे काम मिल जाएगा. मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी.
I agree with you. But lovely talking to you. Hope to see you soon. And all the very best for Naksal Bari on ZEE5, and keep the Insta lives coming. It's really nice to talk to you.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thanks a lot. All the best.
Thank you so much. And maybe a message for all your fans. They've all been here,
Well, I'm extremely sorry. देखो क्या होता है इंस्टा लाइव पे जब भी बातचीत होती है ना तो मैसेजेस पढ़ने का टाइम मिलता नहीं है, बिकॉज एक तो आप बहुत टाइम के बाद किसी से बात कर रहे होते हो, तो आई एम रियली सॉरी दैट वी डिडंट अटेंड टू अ लॉट ऑफ मैसेजेस. But thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for being here, in my life. I wish you all the best wherever you are. I just hope you are safe. Be good to yourself and to people around you.
Thank you so much, Rajiv. Keep safe. All the very best. Thank you. Bye. Bye.